So I've lived here in South Louisiana my entire life. Spend as much time as I can in the wetlands. I really enjoy taking my kids out, spending time on the water, fishing, crabbing, and doing all these things that I've enjoyed doing as a child. My name is Jeff Bacon. I work for ConocoPhillips Coastal Wetlands in Houma, Louisiana. I think most people think my job is funnest because I ride around in this airboat. I'm often asked, how fast does it go? And my answer is always the same, faster than I'm willing to go in it. It's a valuable tool that we have, and it's a shallow access boat that can actually traverse across land. During these restoration projects, we can actually get on the land that's being built, make sure everything's being done the way we thought it would be. The environment that we're in right now is a delta environment. The land that is here was put here by the Mississippi River. The wetlands are deteriorating, they're washing away, the ground's sinking. I think it's important to protect these lands because all of these wetlands serve as nursery grounds for everything that we pull out of these waters. And I'm proud that these things that we do benefit people and help to protect people's livelihoods and homes and the reasons why I live here and love to be here.